Hello, my name is Mary Immaculate Kampire. My student number is M0107218880, and I'm going to show you the demo of in my directory, we first have the app folder, which has subfolders of data and services. As you can see, this is the first. Then we have the schema Python file, which handles creation of all the tables. As you can see, we have the users table, the cybersecurity table, the datasets table, and the IT tickets table. Then we have the internet Python, which handles the CRUD functions and also the importation of the data, loading of the data from the CVS files to the table, insert, get all incidents, then delete. And it's basically the same for all the other Python scripts for datasets. Load, insert, get all of them, and then delete one. Same for tickets. Loading, insert, update, and get all of them and delete. Then we have the user's script where you can get the user by the username and insert a new user, which will be using the login interface and the register interface. Then in the services main functions from the week 7 parts, which handled bcrypt and encrypting the user passwords. As you can see, we had the function to hash the password and the verify function to verify the password, which ideally just enabled us to compare between the password bytes and the hashed password bytes. Then we had the login function and the register function and the password strength function and the migration users function, a database instead of a txt file, which ideally enabled the entire app folder to become a package, and we could now import the different functions from all these Python files. The data folder, which has ideally the CVS data and the intelligence platform database, and the user's txt file where we previously stored the data from the week 7 work, then the docs. Then we have the different pages, such as the dashboard page. And this ideally handles the showcasing of each domain's data from the databases and handles the input, the output. It handles the inserting, updating, and deleting of data from each domain, as you'll see. And the analytics page, then we have the AI analyzer, which handles analyzing each piece of data from each domain and provides the user with solutions. As you can see, this is the intelligence domain, the multi-domain intelligence platform. So in the homepage, we have the login and the register tabs. We shall register. Mary, what's the different name? Peter. The password will be as you can see, account created, and I can go to the login tab. Well, enter in. And I've logged in. Yep. And as you can see, it works. The information is stored. So this is the main dashboard where we can view the data and we can insert data. You can add an incident. We can update the incident and we can delete an incident. Yes, we can do it for all the different domains, IT tickets. Same thing. You can insert, update, or delete a ticket. And the metadata. You can insert a dataset, update one or delete one. So now in the analytics part, we can see the visualization of the data. can see we have our graph for the different incident types. Then for IT tickets, we have a graph of the statuses of the tickets with the resolved, open, in progress, or the waiting for user. Then in metadata, we have the record counts of the datasets. And then in the AI Analyzer page, the user is able to analyze whatever data they want for each domain. As you can see, it gives you the root cause analysis, the immediate action needed, and long-term prevention measures, and risk assessment.